another episode. I'm here at Bronkies today, doing a bit of pre-fishing for the next leg of the TBC, which is next weekend. So yeah, I want to come see how the fishing is and try get some spots so that I can actually do well in the last comp. So yeah, let's see what the day brings us at this beautiful Bronkhorstspruit dam. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Peace, tight lines. Be a lot of barbel swimming around here, so I don't know if it's pushing the bass away or what, but I haven't even had one knock. I've had a barbel go for my club and that's about it. Of the morning on a crank, and it's a decent fish. That didn't work out properly. Feisty little fish. 1.2 kilo. It's a good start. Caught that bass on the bomber crank that I got on the secret tackle box, so it's coming in handy. ones now. It's just another little small one. Hey guys, yeah, it's a day finished for me. 1:30 now. I think it being a long weekend, there are leisure boaters, jet skiers, irritating people on the water. The dam was so full off the sides. All you saw was people right next to each other. So fishing the sides wasn't as nice because there's carp rods all over. And then with all the jet skiers and boaters, it was just waves everywhere, and trying to stay in one place with these oaks flying around was not easy. And also the wind picked up a bit, so it turned out to be a bit tough. Yeah, didn't catch that many fish. I think all in total, I think I caught maybe 6 fish. The biggest being a 1.2, and the rest were in between 500 to maybe 700. I don't know, I didn't really weigh the others. So yeah, it wasn't that great. Hopefully for the TBC there won't be that many people here. And hopefully we won't have that jet skiers and stuff all around, and then us small boaters can actually have a bit of a good day. I don't know why it was so tough. The last 2 weekends, friends of mine have been coming here and catching good fish, so I was actually looking forward to today, thinking that I was going to catch a couple of good ones, and it was not to be. So yeah, hopefully the video was entertaining enough. I tried to catch more fish and it just wasn't happening. But anyways, unfortunately for you guys that thought you were gonna watch my video to see where the good spots will be for the TBC to catch the big fish and lots of fish, well, this video was not that type of video, unfortunately. I was actually going to hold off on posting this video because I thought, you know, I'd post it after the TBC so that it doesn't give anything away. But the way my fishing went, I can post it now and before TBC, so it doesn't really help anybody. Oh well. Don't forget to go and check out the Secret Tackle Box website. Today I caught my biggest fish with the bomber crank that came out this month's Secret Tackle Box. So yeah, that bait is actually, I'll be using it quite often because it's a nice deep diver. It caught a few little fish today and it caught my biggest fish. So yeah, make sure you go have a look at that, and if you are buying a box for the first time, use Bassinator as a discount code and you will get 20 Rand off your first box. Anywho, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace. So take 2. What's up? Oh wait, I already did my intro. This is an outro. So guys, as it looks, so guys, damn it, the day was not great.